Hey there, everybody. I'm King 5 meteorologist Leah Pezzetti on this Sunday evening, bringing you an extended check of your forecast as we approach the final few days of March. It has been a damp day. This is satellite and radar imagery from the day showing that we did see some light rain, but pretty widespread moving through Puget Sound. As of Sunday evening, tapering a tiny bit, but still holding strong around King County. And we see that reflected into the mountains as well as you head into our mountain passes, Highway 2 and I-90. We are seeing that snow pretty minimal. We don't have a ton of precipitation, so accumulations are looking at just another inch, maybe two, as we head into the next couple of hours. But that's a good thing to keep in mind for anyone doing any pass travel. For the next couple of days, we have a pretty quiet trend. We have decreasing showers for the remainder of your Sunday night. It will be a cold start to your Monday morning with temperatures right around freezing. I'll show you those in a minute. And then we are going to stay dry. Once those showers taper tonight, we hold on to that dry pattern through Tuesday, and then it's not until Wednesday that we'll bring back some showers into the forecast. So big picture, look at that. Here's your dry day with some sunshine on Monday. Who wants a nice sunny start to the week? I know I do. As we head into midweek, we have this pretty large low pressure system that's moving in. This is Wednesday morning, so we'll start the day on a fairly dry note. We'll watch that rain increase into Wednesday afternoon. That's going to be the wettest time frame of the week, is that kind of Wednesday afternoon into evening. But then as that low moves through, we will see some spotty showers sticking around Thursday and eventually tapering off Friday into the weekend, meaning Easter weekend. We will have fairly dry conditions. So something to look forward to. All right, one of the things I'm watching is cold conditions Monday morning, and cold temperatures right around freezing. We all know the basic science lesson: freezing temperatures, moisture equal snow. Sometimes ice as well. We're looking at more chances for ice, less snow, because these cold temperatures are going to hit early in the morning. And I showed you we have that precipitation. So if it was this cold with that precipitation, we would likely see snow. But because we're losing the precipitation before it gets cold, it looks like it'll mostly fall as rain, with the exception of a few isolated spots in the foothills. Could see a tiny bit of snow overnight tonight. So let's take a look at that. This is what we're looking at Sunday evening. I showed you that most of the rain is around King into Snohomish County as well. So yes, Highway 2, I-90 getting a little bit of snow, not quite as much for the North Cascades, but it's staying pretty central. This is later on tonight, 10 p.m. tonight, continuing to taper off, continuing to see a pocket of showers, kind of a convergent zone, but it's trending a little bit more southward than usual. So it's looking like it'll dominate King County, which means that we could see some foothill snow down I-90. So places like North Bend could get a dusting of snow. They oftentimes tap into that before other people do. By the morning, though, that's when we will dry out. So that is when we are at our coldest point of the day. That's when temperatures will be around freezing, but we don't have the precipitation with it. So looks like the best chance for snow is going to be into the foothills, likely just a dusting, maybe a 1/10 of an inch at best, or 1/2 an inch in some isolated areas, but snow levels are down to about 1,000 feet. Into your Tuesday, we are going to hold on to cloud cover. So it'll be a nice sunny day Monday. Tuesday stays dry with some clouds. Then the next chance for rain arrives on Wednesday. I showed you the big picture. We see that rain increasing throughout the day on Wednesday. So it looks like Wednesday afternoon and evening will bring some steadier rain. For your Monday, this is a quick snapshot of what we're looking at hour by hour around the Sound. We'll start the day with a little bit of cloud cover. We could see some fog and visibility issues to start your day with those temperatures right around freezing. Then we will warm nicely into the afternoon. Highs will get to around 50 degrees with plentiful sunshine by the afternoon. So here's one more check of your highs. Couple spots getting into the low to mid 50s farther down to the south. Up to the north, we're right around that 50-degree marker. Same thing along the coast into the low 50s, Hood Canal into the mid to upper 40s. Our higher elevations above freezing, Stevens Pass, Snoqualmie Pass, right around 40 degrees. Leavenworth and Wenatchee will be a little bit warmer into the low to mid 50s. So enjoy the sunny Sunday and then cloudy Monday. And with that, we will wrap up the month of March. Only 2 more days left, Monday and Tuesday. Let's take a quick check of our rain. So this is where we stand before we factor in today's rainfall totals, so Sunday's rainfall totals. Bellingham so far has seen about 6 1/3 of an inch of rain. SeaTac about 6 1/2 inches. Olympia has surpassed 9 inches of rain. Normal for this time of year is in that 3 to 4 to 5 inch range. So we are well above average in all of these areas. Bellingham is about 3 1/3 above average. SeaTac more than 2 1/2 inches. Olympia getting close to 4 inches above average. So is it record breaking, you ask? It depends on where you're looking. Bellingham actually is the closest of these areas to breaking a record for just how wet it has been this March. If we get 3/4 of an inch of rain tonight, that would get us closer to that record and actually break that record. I don't expect that to happen. So looks like Bellingham will probably come in as the second wettest month, or second wettest March on record, but we'll keep an eye on that. Things can change. I don't expect them to change that drastically, but we'll keep an eye on that. SeaTac looks like it will crack top 10 wettest Marches on record. Olympia closer to top 5 or so. So none of that is official. We'll wait until the month wraps up to actually look at the statistics and see what actually fell. But just something we're keeping an eye on is how wet it has been this month. As we take a look at our 7-day forecast, there's that sunny Monday, there's that cloudy Tuesday with some sun breaks mixed in as well. Wednesday's the wettest day. Thursday holds on to some showers. Friday, we're drying things out, and then we'll bring the sunshine, and who wants some temperatures right around 60 degrees just in time for Easter weekend. So that is a look at your 7-day forecast. Be sure to stay with the King 5 weather team as we continue to bring you the very latest. Have a great week, everybody.